What is going on, YouTube? It's your guy Be More Bread, back with another install vid, I should say, for LED lights on the crash bar. Stick around and let's get these installed. Alright, first thing, I guess, let's get this mounted on the crash bars. Get the lights mounted on the crash bars. And then we'll run the wires and stuff and see what we got. Show you guys the lights that I'm going with. Figure it'll be right around here. This is the harness that came with it. It's already got a relay, fuse, a switch, on-off switch. Alright, I got this leveled here, so I'll go ahead and snug this up. Cheap little lights like this, they do not supply you with any instructions. You gotta kind of figure this out on your own. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes not so easy. This was somewhere in between. Run the wires along there, then up to the battery along here, and up to the battery right there, instead of running over here through the top of the tank like I initially planned. Let's see how that works. Alright, I ran all the wires. I'm gonna go back and snip all the zip ties, but for the most part the wires are run for the lights. I ran them all underneath there. Come over here, I still gotta go, like I said, snip everything, and then I gotta figure out how I'm gonna run this. See where I'm gonna put that at, but so far it's coming together fairly easy. Alright, on this one, had a faulty switch. This just wasn't working no matter what. I think the pins in there are fucked up, so I ended up just putting some new clips and stuff. I got an electrical kit, so I put like a male female pin in there and repinned them and taped it up. So I'll go ahead and zip tie this back up, but as you can see now, the lights are working. So I mean, you get what you pay for. These are cheap Amazon lights, so. All right, LED lights are on. Everything was, I ran everything, zip tied everything underneath. So overall, nice clean look. The only thing, like I said, these are Amazon special. So the connector on this one here was faulty, did not work. I've had those lights probably going on a year, so I never installed them. Didn't feel like even attempting to try to exchange them or anything, because it's warranty and all that's probably expired by now. Like I said, Amazon Chinese specials, so they're on. They look kind of clean on the crash bar there. I try to bring them as close as possible to that little wing on the crash bar. You see, tried to bring him as close as possible. Had to rewire that other one on the left hand side, on the right hand side if we're looking at it now. But other than that, they look pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead. I know it's not dark yet here, so I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like now, along with the headlight. Like I said, it's not dark, but not too shabby. I would imagine with the high beams on, got a lot more visibility at night. So we'll see when it gets dark. But they actually look pretty good. I'm really enjoying having the T-Sport back on the Low Rider, man. I know FXRT looks awesome on here, but having the T-Sport back on here really has made me enjoy the bike a little bit more, if that makes any sense. It feels a whole lot lighter, easier to maneuver and stuff. Not that the FXRT isn't. I'm actually noticing my turn signals are a little crooked now that I'm sitting here looking at it. One's kind of angled down and one's angled up, so I'll have to adjust them when I get home. But yeah, man, I'm actually enjoying that FXRT fairing on here. I mean, I'm actually enjoying not having the FXRT fairing on here and going back to the T-Sport. I'll probably put the FXRT back on later on. I'm thinking about painting the bike, so when I decide on what I'm going with, I'm probably going to put the FXRT back on. I do have new risers, like I said, and a new set of handlebars, mid-bend gold bars that I have, so maybe it goes back on then. But to me, it looks good with just the T-Sport. Really enjoying it with just the T-Sport, especially right now when it's been real hot lately, so it feels like a lot more air comes through with the T-Sport. So I'll probably rock out with the T-Sport for a little while, at least till I get the bike painted. I don't know, or I might keep the T-Sport and just throw a Plex Audio behind it and get rid of the FXRT and sell it. I kind of dig the look right now. I'm digging the look. Feels like I have a whole new bike, as crazy as it sounds. I'm really enjoying the bags too, the Villain to Hero bags. They're looking real nice and clean. I might color match them when I do paint, or I might leave them black, get that two-tone, kind of like that back in the day look. But yeah, man, appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Let me know what you think of these little LED pods, little Amazon specials. I think they were like 35, 40 bucks. Not too bad. If it gives me a little bit more light at night, it's worth it. How long they'll last, I'm not sure. But all right, I was gonna end this video, but I figured I can't end the video without showing you how it looks in the dark. It just wouldn't be right. Let me run the lights at night. So I want to run just the headlight without the LED pods, which my LED light is fairly bright. So that's with the high beam, no high beam, with the high beam. I'll show you. Just the turn signals and the LED headlight. So not too bad. Let's turn the LED pods on. As you can see, huge difference. Off, on, huge difference. Let's see if I can yep, huge difference. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.